Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will go through some really mind-blowing AI happenings in the last few weeks so that we can catch up with the rapid pace of development in the AI world. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about EMO. EMO is an AI project by Alibaba that can take a photo of a person and a sound clip and turn them into a short video where the person in the photo appears to be talking and singing along to the sound. It's like making a still image come to life. EMO supports various languages, expanding its potential use. It utilizes an audio to video diffusion model to achieve these impressive results if you care about the tech. How could EMO impact the world? EMO could help create fun and unique videos for entertainment or make communication easier for people who have trouble speaking in front of the camera. Of course, it could have negative implications too. Like other realistic video creation tools, EMO could be used to make deep fake videos that make it seem like someone else is saying or doing things that they never did. This of course is a big drawback. The next one is absolutely crazy. OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, are building their tech into humanoid kind of robots. Imagine a walking, talking ChatGPT empowered robot. It literally blows my mind towards where we are headed. ChatGPT on a computer itself is so goddamn useful, and now if I have a real ChatGPT assistant, it will be something else. The company just invested in a company called Figure and signed a collaboration agreement to develop the next generation AI model for robots. Embodied AI is coming in 2024, but there's more. Figure raised a whopping $675 million, valuing it at $2.6 billion. And the company was only founded in 2022. On top of OpenAI, new investors include Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, Microsoft, Intel, and OpenAI. The video in the background shows their robot Figure 1 completing autonomous tasks. This video was released recently by the company. The next one will blow your mind too. An AI tool for filmmakers and video creators called LTX Studio. The company behind this tool is Lightrix. This tool isn't for making whole movies, but it helps with the early planning stages. What can it do? It can write scripts for you. You give it an idea and it creates a basic script. It can make storyboards. These are like comic strips of your movie idea. The AI can draw those for you. It can create short videos. The AI can take your idea and turn it into a simple little video to give you a feel for how it might actually look. Why is it cool? Filmmaking is hard. This AI tool makes the starting part much easier, especially if you're not sure where to begin. You can also give it simple text commands to change what you don't like. Next, Pika Labs introduced a new lip sync feature to its AI video generator. The new feature allows for realistic mouth movement and voice generation powered by 11 Labs. Their demo video is going on in the background. Let's check out some examples created by the users.
Well, why don't you stay?
This one is by Christopher Friend from X.
Right. So this is the plan.
This one is from Dave Villalba.
You are sleepy, very sleepy. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Look into my eyes.
Have a seat and talk to me.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Let's turn that frown upside down.
This one is by Reza.
What's up, everybody?
This one is by Anu Akash.
Do you ever think about how much we've changed?
Tomorrow we attack the enemy castle at dawn.
This one was by Curious Refuge.
Listen to me carefully.
We can bring our animations
This
to
one
life with
Echaya.
incredible results. Want to know how? Don't miss out on this guide.
Thinking about getting your hands on Sora? Forget it, it's not available.
This is by Ashutosh
Thinking
Srivastava.
about getting...
As courage shapes it, Arthur,
And if courage fails,
then let wisdom guide you. Your heart won't lead astray.
is that enough to be king?
It's what makes a king worthy, Arthur.
Merlin, can magic truly shape my
This
death?
one is by David
Only
and
as much as
Comfort.
courage shapes it, Arthur.
Currently, only the pro users can use this feature. And of course, Ideogram. Ideogram dropped their latest model, Ideogram 1.0, their latest version of its text-to-image model. Most notable is the incredible details in AI generated text and a new feature called Magic Prompt to help with creating prompts. Let's check out some of the examples.
Now, these examples are from X. Here you can see the text written. This is amazing. Let's check out the next one. This one is by Alvaro Cintas. Unleash the flavors of your imagination, ideogram. This one is by someone called Consumption. Here you can see consumption written on here. Let's check out these examples by Matwit Pro. Ideogram AI, the new champion. Nice. Quite good. And these are some of the examples shown on their blog post. So let's check out what's Magic Prompt. Ideogram 1.0 includes Magic Prompt, a creative assistant that automatically enhances, extends and translates your prompts to results in beautiful creative images. Below are 3 examples of an original input prompt, an output of Magic Prompt, and the generated image corresponding to the Magic Prompt. Prompt: create a funny meme about cats. And here we can see the Magic Prompt has gone ahead and extended this entire prompt into a detailed prompt, and it's also given us some text on the output image. Once again, here in the prompt you can see only these 3 emoticons have been given, and it's the Magic Prompt itself has extended everything and it's given this output. So this looks like a nice feature to have. Let's see if we can actually test this. Let's try and find Magic Prompt. So here we can see this Magic Prompt button. I just switch this on and I'll just write something. So I've just written pink dinosaur golden hat. Keep the aspect ratio at 1:1. I'll select the model to be 1.0, which is the latest model, the one that we are testing. Visibility public. I'll also say it shall read and let's click on generate. And let's check out the Magic Prompt here. Here, these are actually not bad. Look at this. These are pretty sweet actually. So look at what Magic Prompt did. I just gave it this one line, and Magic Prompt has gone ahead and extended this into a detailed prompt. Let's check out the other results. This is quite sweet. There's an issue with the spelling here. I think Ideograms 1.0 demands a dedicated video for itself. So I'll try and do that next week.
And Adobe unveiled and Adobe showed off a new AI tool which will help you create music by simply typing text commands. At least that's what I understood. Whatever be your mood, dramatic, happy, intense, you can just type it and the music will come out. You type in the kind of music you want, like chill beats or epic adventure track, and the AI creates it. Edit like it's Photoshop. You can change the music's intensity, length and style with easy controls. Why does it matter? This could make it super easy for anyone to make unique music for videos, games or just for fun. Even if you don't know how to play an instrument, you'll be able to create music. Thank you and see you in the next video.